In this video, we'll go over one of the most important things to set up on your new eSeries, the payment. By default, your new eSeries store will be set up to pay by cash and pick up in store. So basically, no way to get paid. So let's get in the computer and set that up. So when you log in your eSeries account, you'll arrive on the dashboard. Simply scroll down and click on Payments. From there, you'll see the out-of-the-box solutions that are already ready to be integrated. The first one is Lightspeed Payment. Lightspeed Payments is super simple to set up, but you still need to redo it even if it was already set up on your last C-Series store. Simply click on Apply to enable. You'll just need to have your policies already in place on your website. We have a separate video on that. We can help you do that as well. And once you go through the steps, will be done, and you'll have access to credit card payments, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. The other out-of-the-box solutions are Stripe and PayPal. If you already have a Stripe account or a PayPal account, simply click on Connect and Enable, follow the steps, and Stripe and/or PayPal will be ready to go on your website. You can also allow your customers to pay for their purchases over time using AfterPay. It's a post-payment service for your store. AfterPay supports buy now, pay later model and splits the cost of order into 4 equal parts for your customers. That could be interesting if you have high-ticket items that sells for hundreds or thousands of dollars. That will help increase sales in case your customers don't want to pay in one payment right off the bat. So for AfterPay to set that up, you'll need to contact them, create an account, and go through the steps. We'll create a separate video on that specifically so that you can go through the steps easily. And that's it. These are the payment solutions that you can set up for your new eSeries store. Super important to have one before we launch the website.